Hello everyone and welcome. Have you ever had to do some electrical work at your home or at your shop and couldn't figure out which circuit breaker you had to turn off? Is your electrical panel a mess where the breakers are mislabeled or not labeled at all? Well, that is a common problem that plagues many DIYers when doing electrical repairs, and I myself have experienced this many times. At my previous house, and at my current house, the breaker panels were never labeled or are labeled incorrectly. So when I came across this little circuit breaker tester and locator from Kaiweets, I knew I had to test this guy out. A simple and inexpensive device that can tell me exactly what breaker controls the circuit that I need to work on seems too good to be true. So in this video, I'll be testing this little device and see if it works as advertised. So if you've been looking for a good quality and easy to use circuit breaker tester and locator, but didn't know which one to get, then stick around as I unbox and test this guy. Alright guys, so when you unbox this kit, this is everything you get. So let's talk a little bit about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That way you get notified every time I do another product review video, DIY project, or a sale at a big box store where I can help you save more money. Alright then, so this is the Circuit Breaker Finder and Tester from Kaiweets, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $59.39, and this guy comes with a 3-year warranty. So what do you get included when you unbox this guy? Well, you get the circuit breaker and tester combination, and you get a bunch of accessories to be able to adapt it to just any kind of circuit out there. You get a convenient case to keep it all in, and you get the owner's manual that tells you everything about this guy, how to set it up, take care of it, all that kind of good stuff. So this kit is an all-in-one circuit diagnoser and locator. This kit can find the circuit breaker that belongs to the circuit that you're working on. It can check the circuit wiring, plus it can test GFCI functionality. This circuit tester has a large LCD display that we'll look at in a moment that can show you the circuit voltage, the signal strength, and the outlet wiring status. The transmitter also helps you test GFCI circuits to see if they'll trip properly or not. The transmitter also holds the information from your test on the screen even after you unplug it. This unit can check the 7 most common wiring problems. Just by plugging it in, it can tell you if you have correct wiring or open ground, open neutral, live and ground reversed, live and neutral reversed, or live and ground reversed with an open ground. This unit has an operating voltage range of from 30 to 150 volts and has a Cat 2 300 volt rating. The receiver unit not only works as a receiver when locating the correct circuit breaker, but it also has a built-in flashlight for working in dark circuit panels, and it works as an NCV or non-contact voltage tester for the rest of your testing. So this inexpensive kit from Kaiweets seems to be an electrician's best friend. Whether using it as a professional or a DIYer, these little guys can help you get a lot of information and solve a lot of frustration. It can tell you right from the start if a circuit is wired properly or not, so you don't waste your time with a circuit that doesn't work properly. Aside from that, it can then help you to locate the circuit breaker that you need to turn off to do your repairs. When working with a mislabeled or not labeled breaker panel, or a very large breaker panel, this can eliminate a lot of wasted time and needless frustration. So let's take a little closer look at these guys and then we'll hook them up and do some testing, see how they perform. Alright guys, so let's take a little closer look at all these components in this kit and see how everything works together. So these two guys are the two main items you're going to be using from this kit for doing all sorts of testing. The rest of it is just to make your life easier and make this a more complete, well-rounded kit. So this guy here is your voltage tester and circuit tester, transmitter, circuit locator, all that kind of good stuff. You have a nice big LCD display right there, and I'll plug it into the wall in a moment and you'll see how good the information is that it tells you everything right there. And you have your on-off and your tester right there, your test button, and that's for testing the GFCI, and we'll do that in just a moment. But this guy comes ready to plug into a 3-prong outlet. That's how it's designed, right? But what if you don't have a 3-prong outlet? What if you have a 2-prong? Well, that's why it includes this in the kit right there. This is a 3 to 2 adapter. So you basically plug this guy into there, plug it into there, and that guy will work with any kind of 2-prong adapter. But what if you don't have an adapter? You want to plug it into a light socket. Well, that's where this guy comes in. This guy you see is for a standard light socket. Just screw it on there, and you can test the circuitry of that light socket with this guy. This is a 2-prong, right? You plug this guy into there, and there you go, the other way. You plug it into there, plug these two guys together, plug it into back here, and all of a sudden you can test all sorts of stuff. So you have a 3-prong connector right there, a 2-prong, and a light socket. You can do 3 different circuit type testing with this one guy. So that's why these guys come in really, really handy. But what if you don't have any of that stuff? What if you just have some open wiring that you want to be able to test? Well, that's where this guy comes in handy, because it will convert your typical 3-prong connector, which is this guy, and then you have some alligator clips. So you can hook this guy up to just about anything with these alligator clips. You plug this guy into back here, and I'm not going to put it in because it's pretty tight because it's brand new, so everything's nice and tight. But you put it into there, and all of a sudden you can go anywhere into your circuit panel or any place you need to go, and this guy will test any kind of circuit for you. So that's what makes this kit very, very complete. But like I said, this guy will work with your standard 3-prong connector. I'll show you in a moment. This is the receiver, transmitter, receiver. This is the guy that will do the testing and tell you exactly where the circuit breaker is that you need to turn off. This guy also works as a non-contact voltage tester, and it has a flashlight. And if you want to see the flashlight, there you go. That shows you right there, the flashlight on this guy. I mean, it's not the brightest in the world, but it is enough to be able to see what you're doing in a circuit breaker panel. And that's what it's for. And you see that even if you're working in the dark, you see how well these two guys light up. Very clear display that you can see anywhere you want to go. And one thing I didn't mention previously, because it just wasn't really that important, but I'll point it out right now. These guys run on batteries. Each one has 2 AAA batteries inside, and that comes included in the kit. Kaiweets gives you some Duracell batteries already included in this kit. So you don't even need to buy any kind of AAA batteries to put in these guys. That's why this guy can hold the information after you unplug it, because it has its own power source. And if you're curious about Kaiweets, if you've never used Kaiweets before, never used any of their products or anything, I can tell you that it is a good company from experience. I have a lot of Kaiweets electrical testing equipment that I've been accumulating for years. And that's why when this came out and I saw it from Kaiweets, I said, I got to test it. It's a no-brainer. I have confidence in their products. I've been using it for a long time. Never let me down, never broken, never had to do a warranty claim, never had any issues whatsoever. So you may find more expensive kits out there like Klein or something like that, and you may find some cheaper ones. But you know what? For me, obviously I don't want to pay more, and I'm not going to cheap out and go something a little cheaper when I know Kaiweets is a company that I have experience with. I'd rather pay whatever this is instead of saving $4, $5, $6 on some other brand that I have no experience with. So that's why I chose this guy here. So let's hook this guy up now and we'll do some testing, see how it works. Alright guys, so there you see how this guy looks like when you have it plugged into a circuit. Here we have a GFCI circuit that I have it plugged into, and we're going to test it in a moment. But you see right there how it points out and shows you everything about this particular circuit. The minute you plug it in, there's nothing you really need to do. Except for testing, you have to press the test button. So right there, this light tells you that it's a live circuit. You see right there is telling you the voltage that is currently running through the line. 116, 120, it fluctuates, that's the way it always is. Right down here, you can see the line status, where basically it tells you your neutral, live, ground, all of them are wired correctly. So everything is fine with this particular circuit. So if we want to test it, all we do is hit the test button and hold it, and we'll see how it performs. And there you go. It shows you right there that it clicked everything off, but it says pass. And you see right there, it tripped. So the GFCI right there works perfectly fine. It passed the test. Now all you have to do is basically unplug this guy. And one thing to see right there, you see how it holds the information for you even after you unplug it. Then we plug that guy back in, and clear this guy. You have to be sure to clear it every time before you use it again. And then you plug it back in, and there you go. It shows you that everything is fine, just the way it's supposed to be. So very good little devices for testing all your circuits. Alright guys, so here we have a circuit in my shop, in my garage, that we're looking at right now. We already saw how to do the GFCI. Now we're looking at just a standard regular circuit. This one we can't test because it's not a GFCI. But you see the voltage right there. You see that the lines are all correct. Everything is correct, nice and green. Everything is working properly. And you see right here, this little light tells you that it is live. There's power going through it. Now I'm going to go outside, and this guy is transmitting. It's putting out a signal. I'm going to find the correct circuit breaker that works for this guy. And then you guys keep an eye on this, and I'm going to go out there and we'll see how this guy should start blinking down here when I turn off the circuit breaker. So let me go do that. Alright guys, here we go. We have two cameras set up, one on the inside and one to the outside. So I'm going to scan the circuit panel right now. The first pass is just scanning so it can learn what the circuit panel is going on with it and where the transmitter is located. All that you do on the first time is just scan it straight up and down. The second time, then it'll tell you exactly where the circuit is that you have the transmitter on. And the main will always give you a false reading, so ignore that top one. So therefore, you scan all the way down, and then right there, that's where it tells you that we found it. So I'm going to turn it off, and then you'll see the one on the inside starts blinking, telling you that the circuit has been turned off, and you see no more power on there, so it means it worked properly. So there you go. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of a very convenient set of affordable electrical devices that can save you a lot of time, trouble, and frustration when doing electrical work. A great little kit that includes a circuit tester and a breaker locator all in one. As you saw in the video, this little combo can be very useful for the professional and the DIYer alike. It's also made by Kaiweets, a reliable company that I've used their products before, and I've been very happy with the results. You saw in the video how easy it is to use this transmitter and receiver. No big learning curve, so anyone can use this guy right away. So if you want to be able to easily test your circuits and find your breakers, this is one kit you should look into. Check out the links below for all the information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.